We are proposing a web design company service that will be known as WebTech. This service can be utilized for professional and custom design web application services for personal or business scale purposes. Our specialization is the creation of a user-friendly website that is optimized for all devices with a reactive response time. The service includes being able to create a new site or rework an existing program previously created by the user. We also offer user support and server maintenance to reduce downtime and ensure it functions with the standard systems and also produce a better customer experience. We believe that it is essential for a company to form a communication system to collaborate with clients to fulfill client requirements for their needs of making successful websites. In this proposal presentation, we will outline the benefits of contributing to our services, discuss the approaches to web design, and break down the details of the cost requirements for the proposal. Next, I'll be talking about why you should choose WebTech. Well, our web design services is designed to help organizations establish a strong online presence or enhance their presence with the public. We specialize in creating visually appealing and user-friendly websites tailored to meet the specific needs of our clients. Our team of experienced developers is proficient in several programming languages, frameworks, and other web development tools, which enables us to take on complex projects with fewer to no errors and more confidence. Next, I'll be talking about our approach to web design. So, our approach to web design is mainly centered around creating the best website that will help clients' businesses grow and gain revenue. We begin this by conducting a thorough analysis of the client's requirements, goals, and target audience, which allows us to create a website that meets their unique needs. This can be done by appointing an interview process with clients, and once we have a clear understanding of the client's requirements, we then proceed with the design phase. For the design phase, we will create wireframes and mockups that showcase the layout, content, and functionality of the website. We then work closely with the client to refine the design until they are fully satisfied with the final product. Next, moving on to the development phase, we then bring the actual design to life using the latest web development tools and technologies. We then ensure that the website is mobile friendly as well and responsive. This means allowing it to be accessed by users on a wide range of iOS, Android, or other computer devices. After the website is developed, we then conduct thorough testing to ensure that it is fully functional and free of bugs or issues. We then launch the actual website and provide ongoing maintenance and support to ensure that it always remains up to date and is always secure.
The target audience for our web design service would include startup companies, small businesses, and large corporations across a wide range of industries, including but not limited to e-commerce, professional services, nonprofit organizations, education, training, and media entertainment. Before beginning any web design project, it's important to assess the feasibility of the project to ensure its success. Our feasibility report takes into consideration various factors, such as technical requirements, budget, timeline, and resources to determine the viability of the project. We ensure that the project can be completed using the available resources and technology. As an experienced web developer, I have the necessary technical skills to design and develop websites that meet the requirements of the project. We provide a detailed breakdown of the costs associated with the project, including design, development, hosting, and maintenance to ensure the project remains within budget. We provide a realistic timeline for the project based on its scope and complexity to ensure that milestones are met on time. We ensure that the necessary resources, such as staff, equipment, and software, are available to complete the project successfully.
Next, I'll be talking about the cost. So, the cost of our web design service will depend on the specific requirements of the project. We will provide a detailed breakdown of the costs associated with the project to ensure transparency and to help clients understand where their budget is being allocated. So, the design and development of the website will be the primary cost associated with the project. This would include creating wireframes, designing the user interface, and developing the functionality of the website. Next is the content creation, which is basically just the cost for creating actual content such as copywriting, graphics, and multimedia design, which will also be included in the project's cost. One of the main aspects of a website is the hosting and domain registration. The cost of hosting and domain registration will solely depend on the client's specific requirements. We will recommend the most suitable hosting domain registration options to ensure that the website is secure and reliable. So for those that don't know what a domain of a website is, it's basically just the website's URL. So for example, Google's domain name is www.google.com. No other website or company can actually have the same domain name.
The cost of ongoing maintenance and support will be included in the project's budget. This will ensure that the website remains up to date, secure, and that any issues or bugs are resolved promptly. If additional services such as search engine optimization, social media integration, or e-commerce functionality are required, additional costs will be added to the project's budget. We will go more into detail about the additional services part in a bit.
So some of the benefits of partnering with WebTech actually involve during the development process, we will actually provide regular updates and progress reports so you as a client can track the progress of the project and also provide live feedback. Once the website is complete, we will conduct thorough testing to ensure that it is bug-free and works as expected. We will also provide training on how to actually use the website and any other associated tools so you can manage and update the content on your website independently. Once your website is complete, we will work with you to determine the best hosting and domain registration options. We would recommend a hosting provider that is secure, reliable, and scalable for the future. We will take care of all the technical setup required to launch your website, and we also offer ongoing maintenance and support to ensure that your website remains up to date and is always secure. Our team will regularly monitor your website for any issues or bugs, so you don't have to worry about that. And we also offer website backup services to ensure that your website's data is secure and recoverable in the event of a data loss or a data breach. For additional services, we also offer a range of additional services to enhance the functionality and effectiveness of our website. These services would include search engine optimization, as known as SEO. We can basically optimize your website's content and structure to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. This will ultimately drive more traffic to your actual website and help clients gain more revenue. Next would be social media integration. So our plans of creating a platform on social media would involve a simple synopsis in the bio, along with content that provides the public with an understanding of what type of company we are and the services we provide. Sharing our content will reach a wider audience to create networks with clients that are actually also interested in your businesses as well.
One of the main features we are implementing into our services is an e-commerce function. The web application will be accessible to provide products and services to an overseas community in an effort to reach a more broad audience. By collecting users' data on performance, behavior, and web traffic, we can use the analytics to report what improvements and data-driven decisions can be made in order to refine the website's effectiveness.
So, in conclusion, at WebTech, we are dedicated to helping businesses establish a strong online presence and reach their full potential. Our web design service combines creativity, technical expertise, and project management skills to deliver exceptional results that will exceed our clients' expectations. We understand that every business is unique, and we want to take the time to understand your specific requirements and goals before actually developing a customized solution that will meet your needs. We also prioritize communication, transparency, and collaboration throughout the entire project to ensure that you are fully involved in the process and are ultimately satisfied with the final results. If you're looking to establish a strong online presence or enhance your existing one, contact us today to schedule a consultation and learn about how we can help your business succeed. Thank you for considering WebTech for your web design needs.